In the 2006 World Cup tournament in Japan, LeBron's U.S. team, packed with superstars, came in on third. Huelga Bird Mexican Farmer United Farmworkers Labor Union shirt. Greece in the semi-finals. The outcome was so embarrassing that they didn't even want to participate in the award ceremony. They left the place earlier. Something that's never happened before. Or after. Kobe was absent then. In the next big event, Olympic tournament in Beijing 2008, they had to bring Kobe back. In order for the so-called Huelga Bird Mexican Farmer United Farmworkers Labor Union shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. In Beijing, there was never any question. Kobe Bryant was the team's leader, and he carried Team USA down the stretch when things got weary. During the 2008 gold medal game, the Spanish opposition got the lead down to as little as 2 points in the fourth quarter. Bryant put to Huelga Bird Mexican Farmer United Farmworkers Labor Union shirts. Redeem team falling short, scoring 13 points down the stretch in the 118-107 thriller. In 2008, there was no spoken pecking order, but everyone knew Bryant was the man to look for. Dream Team had no reason to establish a other product.